but it is different.
So today we are going to make a vegetable out of the Chinese bittermelon that has been seeded and chopped over here, and these are some of the ingredients that are going to go into it. We are going to try some Szechuan peppers, some regular red chili, then a dark soya sauce, drops of sesame oil, and some apple cider vinegar. So let's begin. So we are going to stir fry the bitter melon, then we'll be adding the soya sauce and drops of sesame oil, and top it up with some apple cider vinegar. So this is how the vegetable will look once the soya sauce has gone in. Just keep on stirring until it gets tender, and soon we are going to add apple cider vinegar, and just before serving we'll be adding a few drops of sesame oil.